love feel like to you? That iconic song by Robert Palmer called Addicted to Love, it says, you know you're going to have to face it, you're addicted to love. Whether or not you find yourself addicted to love as such, here's a question. What does love really feel like, and what happens inside your brain when a person is in love? Does it feel like an addiction? What really happens? There is evidence, thanks to brain scans, that might explain this to you, why love could feel like an addiction perhaps. Brain scans of young lovers have reportedly suggested the first phases of a romance have features overlapping with substance cravings. Researchers at Kyoto University reportedly studied the brains of 51 young men who were in the early stages of a romantic relationship. And what did they find? That seeing or expecting to see a romantic partner activated some of the same brain regions involved in reward, craving, addiction. The research reportedly suggests that in the early stages of romance, the brain basically treats a romantic partner as a uniquely rewarding person and activates neural systems involved in craving and motivation, which helps explain perhaps why falling in love could sometimes feel like a bit of an addiction. Two brain areas were especially active, basically, when participants anticipated seeing their romantic partner. The part of the brain's reward system, this may explain why people strongly want to spend time with someone they are falling in love with. Also a region linked to urges, cravings, and awareness of internal feelings. Activity in this area was associated with more intrusive thoughts about a partner. And this could maybe explain why people in early love cannot often stop thinking about that other person. Basically, the study suggests that romantic infatuation and addiction may use some of the same brain circuits, which helps explain why early love can feel intense, obsessive, or perhaps even consuming. However, the researchers are not saying that love is a substance addiction as such. The findings provide a biological explanation for common experiences like constantly thinking about someone new, feeling a strong desire to be near them, finding it difficult to focus on other things perhaps, so on and so forth. It's also important to point out here that the study only looked at young men in new heterosexual relationships. So the results may not apply equally to women, older adults, or people in different kinds of relationships. So the next time you find yourself feeling like love is feeling like an addiction, you could perhaps know that this is what might be happening inside your brain.
To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.